Welcome to the ADI glass tag and glass list tutorial. If you've watched the other tutorials, you may have seen me use the glass tool in there. So now I want to show you what that glass tool is all about. Right now I have an elevation drawn. So now I need to add glass tags, and I also want to get a list of glass sizes so I can order it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select my glass command. So in this description, let's say this particular thing has 1 inch clear insulated tempered glass. Now the layers, I like to place my glass indicators on a layer I've established as glass indicators. I prefer to keep them separate from frames and dimensions. Now the type of glass tag, if you drop your list down, you're going to see glass tag 1, 2, 3, and 4. And what they represent are block files that's held within the program files reference directory. If you open up that file, you're going to see different blocks. And if you're familiar with AutoCAD at all, you can go in there, edit those blocks. You can add new tags, however you like. Glass tag 1 is a shape that I always use, so I'm just going to leave that there for now. The ID, this is glass type 1, and it's going to be tempered, so I'm just going to make it GL1T. Now the glass tag offset, you're going to have to play with this and find out exactly where you like your placement. I like to place mine in the lower right hand corner of the pane of glass. As you can see, I can put them in different areas of a box, but for me I like to place them in the lower right hand corner. And the offset is the distance from the center of the tag that it's going to offset. So no matter what new tag you make, you can always find a position X and Y to make it perfect. And then last is draw detail tags. If I wanted to just get a glass list, I'm not going to want to put detail tags in again, but for this purpose, I want to draw those detail tags. So, now, the easiest way to use this tool, I have found that if you turn off your dimension layer and your frame layer, you're just left with pieces of glass. So you bring your tool back up, and you hit OK, and you just select the boxes you want to be tagged. And then press enter. And it's asking me to place where I want my glass list. So I'm just going to click here. And notice, all of these are nicely labeled. And over here is a glass list. And this list you can export right through CAD. It's in a table. Export it right to your Excel spreadsheet and order right off of it. As well as you have an area of square feet if you need to do pricing. Now for the top portion, maybe it's the same kind of glass, except this time it's not tempered. So my tag I'm just going to make GL1. And for my description I'm going to delete tempered and put in annealed. All the other parameters are the same, so I'm just going to hit OK, select that glass, and now it's asking me where to place my glass list. So I'm going to place that there. And over here, we have our quantity, width, height, and area of all of our annealed glass. So now that we're all labeled, go back, turn on your layers, and there you go. It's all nicely tagged. Thank you for watching our tutorial.